time card.
What? You be on our website?
It'll come. Just wait. Cause you have. It will come out. Somebody. Just gotta give me a second. I'm a little bloated right now. It'll come. Be patient.
Oh, Spiker. We need mine now. So,
Oh wait. They couldn't hear my burp. Hold on. Now I gotta wait again. Goddamn.
Oh, growling.
Gotta wait. Sorry.
I don't know if the original. Let me see. $21.5.
Oh, y'all.
No, he said he wants to, and I said I don't know, cause you ain't made my new pancakes in 4 days.